Here's the Briar and Figgy puppies. There's orange. And this is dark blue. Look at those eyes. What an amazing time to capture them. That's light blue, dark blue, light blue. That's orange. This is pink over here on the left of the screen. And well, we're just climbing up there now. Purple is right next to pink. There she is. Nope. Stop, Sparta. Hold on. This is green and black. There's black. Taking some pictures. Here's Greeny Green. Here's Green. And there's the wee one. We're going to the one. He's going in, I guess. There's Blue again. And Sparta, who will not stop nudging me. Yes, I know. She wants its attention, huh? She's so good with these babies. There they are. They love their little stuff to sit on. Those blue up there. How many are we going to get up there? Blue's trying to get in the front. You guys are too cute. Just too cute. Too cute. I know, they just want to be by me, huh? Hi, babies. This light blue. And he's a greeny green. He's a greeny green. Your pool's full. It's overflowing, actually. Black is sleeping. That's pink and purple. That's pink and purple's over here, so it can't be pink and purple. That is pink and orange. Guys, they're so hard to tell apart. They're so consistent. Okay, well, those are the babies. They were playing, which is why I turned the camera on. But now they are just ready for a nap, I guess, which is okay. I'm gonna turn their fan back on because it's a little too loud to film with the fan on. But there's the babies. There you go.